Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. What's more, here we've got the album gallery, and obviously we will be transferred to our own photos after tapping on it, and you will be able to set them as a wallpaper. But I will pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the full screen, so you can check it. Here we've got also two additional options. So we've got the blur, and after tapping on that and going to the right with this switcher, you can make this wallpaper much blurrier, or by going to the left, simply sharpen it. So it's up to you. I will leave it sharp. Here we've got also the scrollable option, which simply means that after tapping on it, after applying it, the wallpaper will be changed whenever you will change the page of the home screen. I hope they can understand what I'm talking about, but I will turn it off. I just want to have it like here. You can tap on it and actually change the position of the wallpaper to decide what you will see after after applying it. And if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner. And as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.